We're going to go over the final trades for the month of August, and we're going to take a look at the portfolio calculator. Let's look at the final market metric readings. Advanced decline line minus 1254, closing on its lows. Then when I see tick, more below zero than above zero, and the VIX was up on the day, and the NASDAQ was up. The S&P and Dow have their best August since 1986. So let's look at the trades and see how that looks. So these are the final trades we went over earlier. Midday market sold off a little bit at the end of the day. Cobra 3 got out on the ES plus 462.50. The NQ did not trade. SR counter trend 2, E-mini S&P minus 275. First losing trade on the month for this strategy. You can see all the trades it took in August. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 for 9. Really took advantage of this trend. Really took advantage of the Fed stimulus by buying the dips in this market. Very easy month to trade. Adaptive moving average was down on the day. Some big trades back in here. And let's look at gap continuation. Some failed trades here in gap continuation. A bit choppy here at the open. And then again at the close. And SR counter trends. Once again, taking advantage of those dips, taking advantage, buying these dips, Fed stimulus, driving the market higher, making it easy to trade SR counter trends. SR counter trend portfolio had a good bounce back this month. We'll go over the portfolio results in a minute. 3 trades on each of these at the very end of the month, plus 475 each on each day. And 60-minute breakout, stopped out on some volatile trade right here. That's the NQ. SR counter trend 2V2 1M ES. Capturing this trade, it captured a trade on Friday. You see 3 trades in a row there, making the trade easy on us. A strong market, and here it is, 1, 2, 3 on the SR counter trend 2V2 5M E-mini S&P and All Strategy Access 3 Cobra Euro 4 scratch trade. Asia Gold nice short overnight plus 975. Soybean swing is holding a short position overnight. SR counter trend 2 soybeans minus 75 on the day. All Strategy Access 4. We stopped out on natural gas, so natural gas lost 425 today, and that was the only trade in this workspace. All Strategy Access 5, no trades. All Strategy Access 6, got one of those short trades, reversed right at the highs, and then stopped out on a reversal. So it's been a challenging strategy to trade this, but this is the only strategy that we have that is short only. So it's been a strong month for the bulls, and so we've made some profits on those reversal trades, but challenging month for this strategy. But a lot of our strategies are long only, so we have this 60-minute breakout short that we want to keep in here for down months. And so gap fill and reverse crude oil lost on the day, did not get stopped out, just exited at the end of the day minus 305. And then ES after hours is currently long for the first trade of September. September 1 trade has already started. So those are the trades. Let's look at dynamic tick pullback. That was a profitable trade. And then tick fader, no trades today. 25K portfolio, short soybeans, stopped out, or not stopped out, but exited at the end of the day. Minus 275 on SR counter trend 2 E-mini S&P. This one was at equity peaks on Friday. So losing day to day after equity peaks on Friday, and then gap continuation minus 650 on the day. So those are the final trades in August. Let's look at the portfolio calculator. I'll be uploading this to the website so you can download it. This is the 200K portfolio. Let's start at the top. All 77 portfolio ends the month in a $5,000 drawdown from its most recent equity peaks. I believe we were up almost 42K on the month. Now it's up 36,258 on the month, up 209 on the year, and you see that it had these equity peaks and then pulled back to this 5K level. So just in a 5K drawdown on the all 77 out of a 33K drawdown. And then stock index portfolio 19 ends the month at an equity peak plus 24,500 on the month. Stock index portfolio 36 ends the month at an equity peak as well, plus 27,477. You see the drawdown curve here, comes right back. And let's look at the 200K portfolio. 200K portfolio is the 19 system stock index portfolio with some SR counter trends. Ends the month at a 37.71 drawdown. It had a equity peak during the month, and it was up 29.7, 36.40 on the month. You see where it is in the drawdown curve. And 25K portfolio, equity peak on Friday. Today, Monday, August 31st, was down 625 on the day. 625 drawdown. Ends the month plus 15,350. Really good month. Second best month of the year. Best month was in March. And so we just had a really strong trend this month, and we took advantage of that in the 25K, 50K portfolio. Lots of little trades. Micro stock index and gold portfolio. This can be traded with the minis. 263.75 drawdown per micro. Trades 52 strategies. It is up 44.53 on the month. So that would be 44,530 if you're trading the minis. It's actually the top portfolio based on the minis. So let's look at the drawdown curve. Here it is. And let's look at the rest of the portfolios in this setup. 100K portfolio, 44.83 drawdown. It is up 14,178.90 on the month. Two more portfolios to look at. Liquid day trade portfolio ends the month in a $4,600 drawdown, and it is up 11,372.50 on the month. One more portfolio, SR counter trend portfolio. Let's look at that. SR counter trend 234, 11.7K drawdown. Pretty strong bounce back for this portfolio. It struggled. It had a really strong first quarter. Pandemic comes along, and it's off its axis, off its base, I guess. And then this month we're finally bouncing back 78, 98, 90 up on the month. You see where we are in this drawdown curve, and those are the portfolio results for the Capstone portfolios. There's 9 portfolios, and these are where we are. Some at equity peaks, some at drawdowns. I'm going to be uploading the latest spreadsheet to the Capstone portfolio calculator page setup. You can review that, and you can also customize this calculator to determine which set of strategies work for you. If you do not want one of the custom portfolios, you can just play with these numbers, and you can contact me for details on how to do that.